Lumapit lang ako.
Ay, namumuhunan.
Hindi.
My God.
Hindi. Ako, sobra akong, sukot ang kamayan. Hindi. Seryoso.
Ang ganda mo.
Ay, hindi. Wait lang. Sabi ko na eh. Ikaw palang ang artist na nakitaan ko ng ganyang star quality. Alam ko na mahirap, no? Mahirap. Konti lang yung chances na ako ang pipiliin mo dahil kasi umiikot si Coach Bamboo malang pipiliin mo.
We can't assume.
Yes, just because
Yes,
I have a
we can't
guitar.
assume. Dahil si Coach Bamboo, kilala siya sa mga ganyang klaseng genre na
Yes, I brought
artist,
people to the finals.
gitara, at,
We've held that.
o diba?
All right.
Sobrang convinced ka na, diba?
This is a case of reverse psychology,
Teka lang
dude.
muna.
Don't get caught up on that. Reverse psychology.
Hindi pa ako tapos eh. Teka lang mo, give me a chance. Hindi, si Coach Lea naman, syempre, lahat yata ng tumuntong sa stage na ito ay gustong-gustong maging coach si Coach Lea.
Hoy! Hindi! Coach Lea. Hindi yan totoo. Kasi maraming mga, pag kunyari umikot na ako, akala ko solong-solo ko na. Tapos umikot ka, hindi na ako pinapansin.
Sandali.
So every chance I get to fight, I will. For an artist like you, it's worth fighting for.
Yes. You have to be ready, and I think you're ready, man. And that's the stuff I like to bring all the way down the line. Get to that Final Four spot, and we try to win this, right?
Thank you so much.
That's right, dude. Yes.
Hindi ako aalis dito.
Okay.
Talagang mahal kita.
Okay.
Paglalaban kita. Talagang gagawin ko ang lahat. Gagawin ko ang lahat upang sa huli ay tayo.
This is hard.
This is hard.